This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Victoria Base Perdomo. Gorgeous open concept west/lots of natural light, neutral colors and high ceilings. Large living west/formal dining, family, breakfast area and laundry room. Saturnia marble tile, updated kitchen west/quartz countertop, newer stainless steel appliances. Master suite has walk-in closet. Master bath has his and her vanities, separate shower and large soaking tub. Entertaining family and friends comes easy in the private fenced backyard west/contemporary pool and jacuzzi, coral stone look tile slabs next to covered back patio west/sliding doors from social areas and master BDR. 1-year-old roof. Located in one of Weston's most prestigious communities, North Lakes, on pie-shaped cul-de-sac lot west/large driveway fits 4 cars out plus 2 inside garage. 24/7 guard gate, walking distance to community park, picnic and barbecue, pool and Weston's finest schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Victoria Base Perdomo at 954-232-9730.